Good day and welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to make this quick keychain heart. Extremely simple. Just need some wool, darning needle, crochet hook and a pair of scissors. You will start this project with a magic ring. It is extremely quick, less than 3 minutes. So it's chain 2, then you're going to do 3 trebles. That's yarn over twice. That's the second one. Right, from there you're going to do 4 double crochets. And you're going to do 1 treble. The treble is the center of the heart, so you've got 1/2 done. Now you will do 4 double crochets, followed by 3 trebles, I'm just pulling my tail a bit more, and the last thing you'll do is you will chain 2 and slip stitch back into the magic circle. Tighten up a bit, not too much, just so that you get the shape of the heart. Now chain 10 or as many chain that you want, depending on how long you want it to hang, and slip stitch back into your magic ring, chain 1, and that's it. You're going to cut your tail, leave a long enough piece either to crochet in or to use a darning needle and darn it in. I'm just going to quickly use a crochet hook. Pull your heart so that pull your tail so that you're able to flatten out your heart. Work your tails in. So to the top of the chain, you can add a keyring. Or even a hook or a jump ring. Or if you're adding it to a wall pin on your wall, you're good to go. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this very quick video. Have an awesome day.